So hello friends, today I'm going for my second dose of vaccination at the CVS pharmacy. So I like to hydrate myself and I'm trying to drink organic coconut water, at least 3 or 4 cans before I go. And this I bought from Costco and it's the Kirkland brand. It's actually very good, but it has a little sugar, so sugars are like 13 grams, so it is little extra sugar in here, but it's okay to keep hydrated if you are not a diabetic person or something. And this is not a sponsored video. I love this coconut water, what I used to drink in India from the real coconut shell. In India, it was common to buy there and drink there, but this is good for keeping yourself hydrated and when you have to go for your vaccine. So I've just made some lunch and I'll give you an update of 2 days. So I'll record today how I feel. I'll record on Monday also and then post the video on Tuesday. So you'll know what are the side effects and all, because the first one I already shared with you guys. So keep me in your prayers, and the second vaccine should really go well. So we are going now. We'll be reaching CVS pharmacy. So it's almost raining and the weather is going to be very bad. So here we are heading. It will hardly take us 2 minutes just to reach there. So here it's raining. It started to rain. Here's my face shield also. I'm ready. And let the vaccination not give me any side effects. So we have reached the parking lot and the parking lot is so busy. So we are here and we'll wait here for 5 minutes because I came early and we have to go at 12:45 because my appointment is at 1. So we'll be going into the farm. When I came here it was raining. Now it is sunny. So now it will become cloudy very soon. So it is only Denver which has this good climate, because we can see 4 climates at one time. It rains, it snows, it becomes cloudy, it becomes autumn, everything. You can see all the 4 seasons in one day sometimes. It's so pretty. We are using so much of hand sanitizer. Looks like hands are dried so much. And this cream I have kept it in the car so that I can apply. And this is, if you guys want to know, it's Country Chick. It's Bath and Body Works. I got it for. It's a very good smelling cream. I really like it. So keeps your hands soft, because hand sanitizers have weird smell and they are very bad on your nails, and my nails have not grown from a long time because I've been using sanitizers from a long time. So hope this works. So here I've taken my face shield. I'll just put my face shield also because I feel very safe. Then I'll take my sanitizer. I'll lock the car. I'll close the window. Window is opened. Yeah, everything is closed. Let's close and let's go. These are very good for children who want to play with the cups and saucer and all. It's for big girl babies. So here I was trying to do so much of time pass. I was looking inside the store. I was just seeing what and all other good things going on. And I saw good cars over here. Over here I was just seeing some vitamins if I had to buy. But I don't buy much of vitamins and all. So I just use my home remedies for many things. Over here again I'm doing so much of time pass. I was feeling bored because I was 10 minutes early, and then I had to, after my vaccination, I was doing time pass again and looking here and there, thinking if I could buy something. So I was just looking around and getting bored actually. I want a bandage on the top.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Last time he asked me, you want? I said yes.
Oh yeah, everybody gets a Band-Aid. Everybody gets a Band-Aid.
Oh wow! And thanks for the info. I'm just curious about it, and that's there was a couple that.
We got a room in New York.
Thank you.
You're so welcome.
All done?
Yeah.
All done. Just 15 minutes out there.
So I'm done with my vaccination. I have to just wait here for 15 minutes and I think I'm doing fine. So all good. So I got my second dose of Pfizer vaccination. So all good. Waiting here for 15 minutes and it's all going good. So this is the corner which every lady likes. There was some nice jewelry. Again, I was seeing what are the new trend of jewelry going on. So here are the new latest designs. If anybody likes, you can come here and buy. It's not a sponsored video. I said, okay, I don't wear much of jewelry. Whatever I have is enough for me, I feel. So I was just looking what are the new designs which are in the market, and they were quite a bit expensive actually. If you go to Walmart and all, you get sometimes very good ones, but CVS is on the other hand very expensive. So I didn't buy anything. I was just looking around, but the rings and all look so cute. They were really nice. So I like to see, and window shopping is the best. I just didn't go there for buying, but loved every bit of this jewelry. I was having a good time doing window shopping. How many ladies are here who love window shopping rather than buying actually things? But if CVS Pharmacy wants to sponsor this to me, I don't mind taking it from there. It's become very cold. The weather is changing. It's going to rain and we are going now. So when I had come, this person who parked near me was really so close. I think I'll have a hard time now getting inside my car because I was thinking the parking was full actually. And see, the guy didn't park well. Whoever it was really didn't do a good job of parking. And I could not open my doors fully and it was hard to get inside. You saw how the line, he was touching the yellow line actually when I took the car, and of here I was heading home. The weather was really cold and chilly. So it was very cold on Sunday and Monday, and this video might go nicely by tomorrow, I guess. So here it is. We are just heading home and going home, and I was thinking what is the next thing I'll be going home and do. Obviously I'll take a shower and get ready and start cooking. So it was not bad actually. So just heading home and enjoying the weather. Actually it was very cold, and I was thinking how will the vaccine react in the whole day, because it was a busy day. So here we are going home. We are just home now. I just came home. I just took a nice shower after coming back, and I just had my chai. So everything went okay. They kept me over there for 15 minutes after the vaccination, and I'll record in the night what cooking dinner I'm doing and how I felt on my Monday morning. So you'll get this video by Tuesday or Wednesday. So looks good actually, and I'm not feeling that bad actually. And my hand has not become sore. I can still lift up my hand. I can feel the little stretch, but overall I'm feeling good. So let's see about today night and tomorrow morning, and I'll post this video. Hope this helps, and vaccination is great. Just sauteing some onions over here without any oil or anything so that they get a good roast, and I'm making the avocado guacamole. It gives a good crunchy flavor. So I'm just adding some lemon juice. It's from Walmart I had bought. Just adding like 1 spoon. Just adding a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and then sauteing it well. So here I have some chicken breast which I'm doing air fryer for 15 to 20 minutes. Then I'll chop them. And over here I have some tortillas. I'll just make some rice, make some tortilla wraps, and over here I have some lemon rice. So I'll do that and we'll have a good dinner. I'm just putting it in the air fryer, and now I've kept it to 400. So I'll just keep it to 20 minutes and I'll Just turn it around. So I've toasted the chicken well. I've air fried it well, and now I'm just going to chop it into small pieces. They are little raw, but they'll get cooked well if I cut them, and in the wrap it will look very good. And they look a little raw. They'll get evenly cooked. So this is how I've cut it. Now I'll air fry it to more, and I'll make it fully cooked. So here it's cooked so well. It's cooked so well, and it's not looking like the pink raw milk, raw chicken. So it's really cooked well and really looks good. Now we'll add them in the tortillas. So the avocado came out really good. Now we'll just mix it up. It looks so good. So here we'll just mash it up little, and we'll make the guacamole. Yum, yum, yum. So here I've mashed it well, and we like it little chunky. And here is the seed. We'll keep the seed because this avocado guacamole won't turn black if the seed is inside till I finish this. So here I'm warming up the tortillas. So enjoy the wrap, enjoy little lemon rice. Mexican food with Indian food, what a good fusion. Enjoy. So friends, this is the next day morning. I'm feeling good after taking my vaccination. I had got a good sleep and no side effects, only a little of my arm is little sore. Other than that, I'm feeling good and everything is all right, and you can see I'm doing all right and things went well. And I was just little sore on that day also, then yesterday also, and today morning I'm feeling really great. So it went well, and COVID vaccine is great. I'm fully vaccinated now, feeling good about myself, but still we need to wear mask and take care of everything and use sanitizer wherever we go and whatever we do. So it's good to be protected and have a nice time with our friends and folks. We can always meet up in parks and all. I have still not gone to anybody's house or any social gathering yet. So once I start moving out and I go out, I'll keep you updated over there also. So it is good to be fully vaccinated. I'm feeling great. So I'm feeling on the top of the world actually. So it's great. So I hope you all like this little video of my second vaccination too. And if you have not liked yet and subscribed yet, please consider subscribing it and become a part of my YouTube family. And everybody take care and stay safe wherever you are. Bye for now. And you can catch me up on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok. I make very good videos over there also regarding health and some good recipes, and also see you all there. Okay, bye.